How to make your phone screen stay longer on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see some steps that will help you make your phone screen stay longer. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up settings in your device. Scroll down a bit and then tap on display. Now scroll down and look for an option called Screen Timeout and then tap on it. Now you will see the list of time options where you can choose from 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes to 30 minutes. So choose a longer duration such as 30 minutes or 10 minutes. So after you have chosen one from there, now your screen will stay on for the selected time when idle. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.